How to clean Lululemon belt bag. Lululemon belt bags have become a popular accessory for fitness enthusiasts and fashion-conscious individuals. These versatile bags provide convenience and add a touch of style to any outfit. However, with regular use, dirt, sweat, and stains can accumulate on the exterior and interior of the bag, making it look dull and unattractive. Lululemon doesn't recommend machine washing, but fans of the belt bag have found that using a garment bag, washing on a cold, gentle cycle, and laying it out to air dry all help preserve the fabric while getting it looking good as new again. Plus, we'll cover how to spot clean your bag using Lululemon's recommendations. By following these instructions, you can keep your Lululemon belt bag looking fresh and in pristine condition, ready for your next adventure. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to machine washing your belt bag and spot cleaning your belt bag. Now let's talk about the process. Things you'll need. Spot cleaning. 1. Gentle, fabric softener free detergent. 2. Microfiber cloth. 3. Clean washcloths. 4. Warm water. 5. Bowl. Machine washing. 1. Gentle detergent. 2. 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍. 3. Towel. Waterproofing. 1. Scotch guard. Things you should know. 1. Machine wash your belt bag in a garment bag on a delicate or gentle cycle using cold water. Lay it flat to dry. 2. Avoid using bleach, alcohol, or fabric softener to clean your bag, and don't put it in the dryer so the fabric doesn't get damaged. 3. Spot clean your bag by blotting out stains with a mix of gentle detergent and water. Method 1. Machine washing your belt bag. Number 1. Check your bag's care label for cleaning instructions. Lululemon Everywhere belt bags are often made out of waterproof fabric, so they have special cleaning requirements to keep them in good shape. Check the label inside your bag to find Lululemon-specific recommendations, and proceed with caution if your bag is hand-washed or spot clean only. Spot cleaning is generally safe, although some products may have different detergent requirements, but Lululemon doesn't recommend machine washing for all bags. However, many people have had success with this method. Number 2. Empty your bag, put the belt inside of it, and zip it up. To protect the strap, disassemble your belt bag and zip the loose parts inside of the pouch. Other than that, totally empty the bag before you wash it. Number 3. Wash your bag in a garment bag on a gentle cycle with cold water. Use a thick mesh garment bag that's about the same size as your belt bag. The large belt bag is 8.3 x 2.2 x 5.7 in, 21.1 by 5.6 by 14.5 centimeters. Set your washing machine to gentle or hand wash and run it on cold. Number 4. Use a gentle detergent and no fabric softener. Harsh products can damage the fabric of your bag and strip the waterproofing, so only use gentle detergents that work well for activewear, like OxiClean. Harsh products, like bleach and alcohol, can strip the protective coatings, and fabric softener can get gummed up in the weave. Number 5. Wash the bag in a small load with light colors. To prevent dyes from bleeding and transferring onto your bag, wash it with light colors. Avoid washing it with abrasive fabrics or items that tend to accumulate lint, anything that gets really staticky, to prevent minor breakage in the knit. You can wash it alone if you want, but putting a few other objects helps cushion the harder parts of the bag, like on the strap. Number 6. Lay your bag on a towel to air dry. Immediately take the bag out of the wash once it's done to prevent wrinkling. Lay it out flat on a towel and let it dry completely. It may take up to 24 hours. Skip the dryer for this one. Heat can damage your bag and warp it out of shape. Number 7. Check for stains, then reassemble your bag. Once it's dry, look over your bag to see if there are any remaining stains. If there are, you may want to try spot cleaning or taking it to a dry cleaner. Once you're satisfied, take the belt out of the bag and put everything back together. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Spot cleaning your belt bag. Number 1. Read the care label for cleaning instructions. Some Lululemon bags can be damaged if washed incorrectly or if they come in contact with the wrong products. Follow the recommended cleaning instructions on the inside of the bag. Number 2. Mix a gentle detergent and warm water in a bowl. For the everywhere belt bag, Lululemon suggests spot cleaning with a little soap and water. Mix 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of a gentle, fabric softener-free detergent into 16 fluid ounces, 470 milliliters, of warm water. Let the detergent fully dissolve. Number 3. Wipe down your bag with a microfiber cloth dipped in soapy water. Use a clean, dry, microfiber cloth to wipe all the loose dirt and dust off your empty bag, inside and out. Then, dip another clean cloth into the detergent mixture, and gently dab the stains. Test a hidden area first to be sure the detergent won't cause discoloration. Wring out the cloth so it's damp, not soaking wet. Number 4. Wash off the detergent with lukewarm water and a cloth. Dip another clean cloth into fresh, lukewarm water, then press it to the area you just cleaned. The towel can be slightly more wet so it can saturate the area. Keep rinsing the towel and dabbing at your bag again until the detergent is all gone. Number 5. Lay your bag flat to air dry. To protect the fibers of your fabric, lay it flat to dry. If an area is especially wet, press it between 2 dry towels to sop up the extra moisture. Number 6. Check the stain and repeat if necessary. Once your bag is dry, check the area to see if the stain remains. If it does, repeat this process, or break out the big guns, the washing machine. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Keep your bag looking newer longer by waterproofing it with Scotch Guard. Test a little patch to be sure the fabric dye isn't affected, then hold the can 6 inches, 15 centimeters away from the bag and spray it lightly in overlapping lines. Wait for it to dry fully, then put on a second coat. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.